Hello, welcome to this video. I'm Dave. This video is slightly different to what we normally show you. It's not featuring the Fiesta or the Mondeo at all. In fact, this one has some action from Bailey. This is first go riding a pit bike. It's a very short video. In fact, it's probably his first couple of goes, because the eagle-eyed viewers amongst you will notice there's people in the background wearing different clothes. The pit bike was built by my other son, Mark, Bailey's brother, obviously. He bought all the parts himself and built it up himself. I checked it over. Once he'd done it, he'd done a good job. It's 50cc pull start, Chinese one. It's I think it's an Orion or something like that. So yeah, I'll get the video clips up for you. They were recorded a couple of months ago, these. I've just noticed them in my video collection. So since it's Bailey's channel as well, I thought I'd pop it on. Some action from Bailey. Yeah. Get the clips for you now, guys. Yeah, remember, we have these stickers for sale to represent our YouTube channel. Once the price of the cost of getting these printed is covered, the remainder goes to the National Autistic Society. They're £3 posted in the UK. See the description below. Find my email address, the title for the email in capital letters, stickers, so I don't miss your email, and we'll go from there. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. If you do like it, please remember to hit the like button. Apparently that helps. Also, if you do like our videos, please remember to subscribe to see more videos coming in. The next video will be car related, and it will feature a Mark II Rally Grifter from 1979. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled for that one. And until next time, from myself and Bailey, see you later.